Sheesh, it's cold, bro. That did not want to start, and also the water just all came in, bro. Woo. Good morning, guys. Thank you for watching another video. It is cold out today. Oh my god, turn the heater on. 7 in the morning, very freaking early for me. But today's gonna be a very lit day. A lot of content today. Big content day today. But I'm meeting with the homie Fresh Kicks, Jimmy.
High wind warning is about 30 miles from current location.
High wind warning and cold? Hell no. The huge car event today at SUPERCARs by the sea. So a lot of SUPERCARs today. And then after that meet, we're heading straight to another car meet where PQ is gonna be there. All the PQ guys, Jay, all the G80s, everybody is gonna be there. There's a whole BMW meet later on. 2 car meets today, 1 SUPERCAR meet and 1 BMW meet. It should be lit. Let's go.
You're good, man.
Bro, it is too cold today, guys.
I'm fucking half asleep. Cold as fuck.
Oh my god. Look at this GT3. I'm sure you guys could already hear it. Must be nice. So fire, bro. Sheesh. This is badass. Flex your muscles, guys. Got the GT3 with the heart wheels. They're sick. Jimmy's NSX. Oh my god, it's cold. GT350. The homie's Golf R. He has a carbon hood. The G80. Sheesh. What's up, Kicks? Bro, it's too cold out here.
Holy shit.
It's because of you. My boy got a carbon hood, bro. That shit looks fire. This shit looks so modified. I think there's a little wing on it. Oh shit! They're coming in hot, bro. Fresh Kicks is right here. That they came in hot.
I'll be doing nothing for it.
Oh hell no! They're ready to give
all
us.
got gas right here.
Those guys are ready to give out state reps. You guys know how many cops there were? I don't know why there were so many cops, but that was a lot, bro. Guys, what do you guys think? Do you like Kicks' BBS is better, or do you guys like the Advance better? I don't know. These are fire. These are what David want to get on. You? Don't you? Damn, this color is like really sick with the paint. This car is so beautiful. Yeah, that shit looks so good with all the carbon, bro. But yeah, it should be pretty lit. Pretty cold.
Look at this shit, bro.
Do it again?
Mask up, bro.
Do it again? I got the M2 out here. Damn. With the TEs as well. I actually really like M2s. I'm not gonna lie. I want one, but they're just a little too small. I feel like they kind of look like a girl car, no?
Yeah, it does.
M2s?
I feel like I don't know if it's because like
They're just small compared to like F80,
I feel
M4.
like I like to see it go to, so I feel like
A bunch of girls have M2s for sure, but they do look clean though. I just think they're a little too small for me. Look how clean his car is, bro. And Jimmy's car is clean. And mine, we were over here drifting in the snow yesterday.
I know, why does this
Oh my god, look how dirty my car actually is.
His looks so clean.
What? Kicks?
Yeah.
Kicks is always clean. Damn, I don't know about everyone else, but I'm sitting in my car. It is way too damn cold outside, bro. It's 40 degrees. Comment down below, what's the coldest it gets where you live? Because I know some of you guys live in crazier states where it snows and has blizzards and all that kind of stuff. How cold has it been at your house? Look, we just pulled up at the gas station, and I think it's the same cops that freaking drove by. Who's he gonna pull over, guys? The GT3, the GTR? Hopefully not me. guys, we made it to Huntington Beach and look, all these supercars. There's even Josh right there. I saw him. Where is he at? There he is. Look.
What's up, champ?
Josh! You see him smiling? It's literally called Supercars by the Sea, so we're gonna see a ton of supercars today. Right next to the sea, brother. We're in this huge ass line. It's probably gonna take us like a good 30 minutes, an hour, David said, to get in, but look at the GTR. This thing's super clean. I wanna put the wing on so bad. I think I'm gonna do it. I literally have it sitting in my garage just collecting dust. And that wing's expensive too. What's up?
Hey, Josh said he beat you and let you win.
Oh, he did beat me, bro. There's so many people here. I'm so embarrassed though, guys. My car is so dirty right now. I was telling David, isn't it crazy? We were in the snow yesterday and now we're at the beach on the water. That's crazy. What's wrong, David? You want to sleep?
Fucking tired, bro. She's starting to right now.
We're on like 3 hours of sleep, 4 hours of sleep. And a leg day, brother.
Ah, fuck.
We did legs yesterday and my legs are dead. Oh, we need that, David. We were just talking about that. That's what we needed, bro. This is like, I don't even know.
Bro, that shit was God, bro. We're really talking about
we were just we were falling asleep right now. Look, 3 Celsius.
David, what's up, bro?
Hey, my homie David's famous, bro.
Damn, bro, this girl was cute.
This. Look, guys, we just parked. All these BMWs parked right around me. We got G80. Dude, that's just like Jay's color, but it's actually paint.
I was gonna say that right now.
Jay's is wrapped. We got a G80, my GTR, E36, M3. How did we just attract BMWs all the time?
I don't know, bro, but it's cold, bro.
Guys, look at all these crazy ass Mopars. Mopar no car? Nah, that shit's hard. And then the Trackhawk. Fast Boys over here. Sheesh. I think that's the one we raced last time. Look at all these M3s, guys. This F80 is literally bagged. Damn, dude, that shit's fire, bro.
Blue on white?
It's on stock wheels, but it's bagged.
But these wheels are sick as well.
Oh my god, that interior is beautiful, bro. I never really liked the white interior because I feel like I'll get that shit dirty, but that's fire. He for sure rolled his windows down on purpose. Damn, that shit is sick. Another M3, M4. Look at this, Laguna Seca blue. I wonder if it's actual paint. Is that Laguna Seca blue? On TEs, all over Hugo. Look at this plate. BMW breaks my wallet. You need that. You got like this. The carbon bucket seats. I love these seats. I love these cars. Daniel's is more purple. It's even more rare. Yeah. They parked together once at a car meet, and Daniel was like, "Nah, my color's more rare."
For real?
Another GTR. Look at the brake color. Those are sick. Blue brakes. There's a ton of cars here, guys, and it's kind of crazy because we're literally on the sand, kind of. What the? They're driving your car, bro. They're taking it. Damn, that shit is fire, guys.
Nah, there's no way.
That's the perfect freaking Lambo right there. I love the bumper. I obviously love the color too. This thing is perfect, bro. Look at this big old wing. Wow.
Oh, look at the
For sure's on bags.
carbon. There's no way he's done like that with a carbon.
Look how low this is. Yeah, this thing has to be on bags, but I love that color. Well, this dog is so cute. This shit slammed too. All these dogs are slammed, bro. What's up, puppy? Oh, you're so cute. These Lambos are sick, guys. Look, full carbon fiber Huracan. I've seen this on plenty of times, but in the sunlight, it's crazy. Every single piece on this car is carbon fiber. Everything. The doors, the roof, everything.
All carbon?
Why do you do your car like
I don't know,
that?
bro. Imagine how much it is.
How much it is? I know, it's probably expensive, bro.
Imagine chipping it? Oh, hell no, I'd be pissed.
Imagine you get a rock chip. I love how the hood's open on these cars. Goals must be nice. Oh my god, there's so many supercars. But yeah, this thing is wild, guys. Look at the color. I see Mr. Laurent's car.
Where's Champ at?
But where's Josh at? I don't know. But we found the Lambo. Homie Josh's car. I feel like Josh's car is always dirty too. Us YouTubers gotta drive a lot, that's why. We be daily driving our cars. But luckily this wrap kind of hides all the mess. Like, it looks clean. It's just his wheels. What? I did not know this thing was here, guys. This is DDE's new livery. I did not know they were gonna bring this here. The whole Ken Block themed livery. That's sick.
What do you mean?
Like in memory of Ken Block.
Oh, the black and white wheels and everything?
Yeah, and look, they put Ken Block on the Ken Block 43 Forever. That shit's sick. And this is like his theme, like on all his cars, pretty much.
Crazy, bro. Like,
What?
people really passed away at the beginning of the year.
Ken Block, I know, it's kind of sad,
The year
bro.
literally started.
But this is awesome. It's crazy though, with the Super Trofeo kit. It's literally like a full-on race car on the street, bro. That color's hard. What if we did matte black on the GTR, guys, with white wheels? That would be pretty sick. Got an R8. There's so many supercars here, guys. I'm just gonna fly through them to show you guys all of them. 720. Wow, this thing is sick. I think I follow him on Instagram. Probably like the most modified 720 ever. This shit's so clean. Look at that.
Hard. Okay, so
That's a spaceship, bro. What?
600 and 720, bro. I really
The 600 LT, whatever? I think they have the exhaust like in the middle.
and
I don't know. They look almost the same though on the front, I think. We're literally at supercars by the sea, bro. Can I have a picture, bro?
Man, you lit. Look at that.
What the?
You get money.
Wait, whose car is this?
Brad's. Do the video for the back.
Oh no, I gotta go sit in the back of the cop car, bro. I've never been in the back of a cop car. I don't want to do it today. I'm scared.
Hey, I know. I told him. I'm like, no, I'm not doing it either. I'm not doing that shit.
Well, we can use this car for thumbnails, bro. This is the clickbait car right here.
That's facts.
Hellcat
bad.
Josh is rich.
You rich. That's your money.
Dude, I love this Huracan. This might be my favorite Huracan here. It's just so clean. It is on bags though. Look at it. Guys, look what just pulled up. This bike is like my dream bike, dude. Like if I get a motorcycle, it's probably gonna be one of these. Damn, that shit's fully extended and everything. Look at the wheel, guys. It's all carbon fiber.
Look at the gap. Look at the gap camera.
He's ready to gap you, David? Anything in this parking lot, bro.
This thing's quick.
This shit is sick.
It's quick.
Bro, it's stupid fast, bro. Oh!
I appreciate you staying outside the closed area.
What's the fastest car you beat?
I've never raced a car.
Oh shit, damn. Okay.
There's no point. I know he's gonna gap any car, bro, honestly. Bro, look, even his helmet looks aerodynamic. Look at that shit.
Bro, how quick is it?
Bro, those shits, I think you can hit like 230. I swear, you can hit like
Did
some
you
crazy
hit
numbers.
230 in it?
Hell no.
What do you happen if I try to hit
But that
230?
shit will gap any car, like any twin turbo
If I
Huracan.
try to hit 80 in there.
I don't know, brother. You'll fly off. Look at the crowd that DD pulls in, bro. That's low-key straight motivation, not gonna lie. Like, it's crazy how big their channel is. But I think what really helps is like wrapping your car with the crazy livery. I think we gotta do like a FindingNick livery on my car, guys. I think it'll be sick. Everyone's just following. It's like zombies, bro. Look at it. Everyone just follows him. I want to go follow, but there's way too many people. Look at this. Look at my boy's Ferrari, guys. This shit is hard. BBS's. How much? I'll buy it.
150.
150?
Steel.
This thing is fire. The best sounding Ferrari in my opinion, guys. I'm not gonna lie. And this is my best looking Ferrari too that I like. Here's this thing. God damn, bro. I need one of these, guys. If I were to ever get a Ferrari, it would definitely be this one right here. This thing is sick, guys. Laguna Seca Blue E36 M3. Fire. I wanted that diffuser when I had mine. Alright, guys. This meet was cool. Look, there's a black GTR. Looks just like mine when it was stock. We're about to head out to the next meet now. We're going to meet up with Jay and all the PQ guys. This meet was cool. We're right by the beach. I'm freaking tired, guys. I'm falling asleep. The Celsius did not wake me up. But yeah, we're going to head to the next meet. The next meet should be pretty lit. All the homies are there, so it should be cool. Hey, brother. You washing cars? Look at mine, bro. David's gonna have a fun time cleaning my car tomorrow. Brother, you're making more of a mess.
You're tripping,
That
bro.
shit's going everywhere.
Oh, look at that shit better. Look at that shit.
Look at mine.
You're tripping.
Now our next mission is to not get pulled over on the way to the next meet, guys. There's so many bike cops on the street and they're just pulling over everybody at this point. Like everyone's getting pulled over. Oh, dude, I want one of those. That wing is crazy. David, look at his headlights, bro. That's fire.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in